Hey, it's Jeff Chiani with Branded Agent University. And man, I'm excited today to brag a little bit about one of our new branded agent partners and our team, really. But the combination of this client or partner's feedback, some of what they already had going, in combination with our team and our focus together in creating everything needed for their brand. It was just a marriage made in heaven, so to speak, to use that term. So I want to show you what it looks like. Now, keep in mind, anytime that we're working with you as a branded agent partner, we create a lot of branding assets for you. And if we're talking about landing pages, for instance, we create actually two versions for each page, one for desktop and one completely separate version that's optimized for mobile. So on what we call the authority page to help build your brand, on your custom clarity report lead magnet, on any other landing pages that we create for you, we'll have both the desktop version and one that you can rest assured is going to look clean right here on mobile, which is where most of your visitors are going to probably view your information. So let me show you though. I'm going to show you on desktop first, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like on my phone right here. All right, so I might be partial to the color palette here for this client. I do like this blue and the dark gray and black, and I love their logo and their design, Freedom by Design. It's great. So I just love all that from the get-go. I just got off of a call with a team where we spent an hour trying to get clear, and really we were just brainstorming about brand and something that really conveys the future world that we're trying to create, that connects with our tribe, all that. And boy, this Freedom by Design does that for me. I love it. So as I scroll through here, you can see we're focusing on part of what they promise as being a part of Freedom by Design. So training, coaching, mentorship, opportunity. We learn a little bit about Ray here, handsome young fella. We've got pictures of the team. So we're communicating on any of these pages here, usually community, core values, and culture. So we have a little bit about the vision for Freedom by Design. We've got their mission statement. If I want to partner with Freedom by Design or see about it, I can click that button, and we've got a pop-up that will capture a little bit of information about where I'm at in my business. Am I just starting out? Am I pretty well established? So we'll capture a little bit of information there. By the way, you'll notice one of the things that we recently did and that we'll do for you is add this chat bot to any of their pages, whether it's here, whether it's on the Clarity Report lead magnet. They all have this chat bot where I can click to call Ray right now if I want to speak to Freedom by Design. And I can open it up here, and I can tell Ray a little bit about my current situation. So am I looking to get my real estate license, or am I deciding who I want to join, or am I looking for a new opportunity? So we'll include that on any of your landing pages as well. All right, so as we scroll down, we saw the vision, we saw the mission. Here are the core values for Freedom by Design, which I love, two in particular: authenticity, energy, collaboration, freedom. My favorite, walk the talk. And then give to receive, my second favorite there. So it will help you get clear on those core values and actually turn them into something people can see and that you can live by, make decisions by, right? And actually show it, put it out there in the open. All right, and then we've got a nice section here that talks a little bit about their technology they've invested into for their team with the learning portal. So Freedom by Design has the best training. They've collaborated with NAEA to provide that kind of training. We created this success path for Freedom by Design so that everybody who is a part of Freedom by Design, who's out there talking to other agents in the community to join, we wanted something that everybody could use as a brand promise and path on how we help you go from 0 to 100, for instance. And so we have a number of these different ones that I or my team have created. And in this case, this happens to spell out elite. And the path here is enroll, learn, implement, transform, and expand. So it's an acronym for elite, right? So we're going to enroll first. We're going to learn with the training portal. We're going to implement the things that we learn. We will see a transformation, and then we will expand and help others achieve similar results, right? So everybody, whether it's me, whether it's Miranda, whether it's Ray talking to somebody, we can all describe the path that we're going to take you through to guarantee your success. And then here we're showing some of the benefits that they get as being part of Freedom by Design. So they can access everything, anywhere, anytime. There's fast, effective onboarding built right into their learning management system. There's a leaderboard where users can incentivize themselves, keep motivated, and see where they stack up when it comes to learning and training in the system. They can access it anywhere, anytime, on their phone, on a tablet, whatever it might be. Again, maybe by now I'm ready to partner or see about it. And so I might click that button and fill out that information. And then the last thing here at the bottom is we have a section where I can connect with Freedom by Design by clicking any one of these icons. If I click this, it'll try to call. You know what I mean? So we've got that connect section. And then at the bottom, you can schedule an appointment, or heck, why don't I just click this right now and I'll call Freedom by Design and see what's what. So I just think that this looks amazing. The team did a great job. You know, Ray did a great job, and everybody at Freedom by Design helping us. And let's click on the menus up here and see where this takes us. So if I wanted to click About Ray, that takes me to the section About Ray. Freedom by Design takes us to this section about Freedom by Design with our vision, mission, core values. The experience takes us to the core values section. And then if I click the last one, log in, that should take me over into their learning portal. Yep, absolutely. So I think you'd probably agree that this looks pretty good. Everybody I've shown it to, including the team I just got off a call with where we were helping get clear on their brand, they liked it too. So Freedom by Design did a great job. That's what it looks like on desktop. Now let me show you what it looks like right here on my phone. All right, so let's take a look at what it looks like on mobile. Here I am at fbdacademy.net, Freedom by Design right here. Looks fantastic. We've got the hamburger menu for mobile, About Ray, Freedom by Design, the experience, log in. You can see our chatbot is active. I can click right there to call Ray or Freedom by Design. You know, I can choose here if I want to let them know a little bit about my situation. Am I looking to get a real estate license? Am I deciding who I want to join, or am I just looking for a new opportunity? And as we scroll here, you can see everything is laid out and optimized for mobile. This is where most of your, viewers are probably going to look at your content. So we always make sure that we have a completely separate version where everything is optimized for the mobile experience. Any of you who have tried to create this sort of thing, you know that sections and content doesn't end up laying out the same when you go from desktop to mobile. So that's just a little tip. If any of you are using your, creating platforms, ClickFunnels, or anything else, I would suggest that you just start designing with a mobile-first approach and just starting with the mobile version first. But you can see here, this just looks fantastic. And I think my internet, I don't think is loading up that calendar right there, but he does have the calendar right there where you'd be able to book an appointment. Man, it looks fantastic. I love it.